Today we're going to do a short tutorial on how to install and be able to run and compile Java programs using Visual Studio Code. First, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the developer tools. Now it's important to note that you may have older versions of Java that you may want to remove, and you can remove those through the settings panel to uninstall, or you can also use the remove older versions tool. So if you open this in a new tab, you'll notice there's the Java uninstall tool, and if you click on that, you can then download that, and then if you run that uninstall tool, it will uninstall previous versions of Java, which will be nice, so you'll end up with a nice clean slate for the latest version. We go back to our download page. We're going to go to JDK downloads is what we're going to look for. And we're looking just for the development kit, the standard edition developer kit. So we're just going to go to JDK. We're going to agree to the user license. And then we're going to download the appropriate version for Windows. So this is 32-bit and this is 64-bit. Once that's downloaded, we're going to launch that. And what you should end up with is a prompt here. We're going to install everything here. And this will take a minute or two as it extracts the existing version, and also, since we picked the option, it also extracts. It kicks off and starts the JRE installation as well. That's the next steps if you want to look at other tutorials, API documentation, and everything else, but we're just going to go ahead and close and get started. Now what's important to note with Java is that you need to add it to your path so that everything works appropriately. So what we're going to go ahead and do is add this to the path. So you click on your Start menu and you look for env. It'll say Edit System Environment Variables or something similar. And we're going to go ahead and edit environment variables. We're going to press edit again because we want to add a new one. So we're going to head and one first, sorry, and then browse to this PC, Windows, program files, or your appropriate area, Java, JDK, in, press OK. Should add the extra line, press OK. Press OK again, and OK, and the environment variables should all be set up for it to run through. Next, we're going to go into Visual Studio Code. We're going to go ahead and code.visualstudio.com, and we're going to download the latest release. Once that's downloaded, we're going to run that. Accept the terms and agreement. Go ahead and install in the default place. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I like to associate code, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. and associate it all the way out. And just give it a moment to install. And launch Visual Studio Code. From here, you can start a new file, new folder, whatever else we need to do from there. That concludes a quick tutorial on how to set it up. Now to go